Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel Sony Sing Physics. These are the points which you should revise before going for your practical examination. Each question should take 1 hour. You only have to use of the apparatus for 1 hour for each question. Read the whole question carefully so that you know that what you are aiming to do. Remember to measure all your data to the precision of the measuring instrument. Example, if you are measuring a length using a millimeter scale, then 10 cm is a length measured to the nearest millimeter, not to centimeter. Significant figures are always very important in practical examination, and the number of significant figures used in derived quantity that you calculate from your raw readings should be equal in the number of SF given in the raw reading in the question. For example, if you measure potential difference and current to 2 and 3 SF respectively, then the corresponding value of resistance calculated from them should be given to 2 or 3 SF but not 1 or 4. When drawing your graph, label each axis with the appropriate quantity and unit using the same format for column headings in a table. Choose a scale so that the plotted points occupy at least half the graph grid in both the x and y directions. The x-axis scale and y-axis scale do not need to start from 0. You should mark scale value on each axis at least every 2 cm square. When drawing your line of best fit, it is best to use a 30 cm ruler so that there are no joints or kinks in the line. If you have an anomalous point, circle it and label it. The anomalous should be ignored when you draw your line of best fit. If you are required to give a value of the y-intercept, it may be possible to directly read it from your graph when the x-axis has an origin 0, that is x is equal to 0. The uncertainty in a measurement depends on both the precision of the instrument and the way the measurement is carried out. For example, a stopwatch may measure to the nearest point 0.1 second, but the uncertainty in measuring a time is likely to be greater than 0.1 second, given the uncertainty introduced by reaction time. Percentage uncertainty is equal to absolute uncertainty in the measurement by mean measurement into 100. When measurements are repeated, the absolute uncertainty in the repeated measurement is half the range of the repeated reading. So, absolute uncertainty will be equal to maximum reading minus minimum reading by 2. When determining whether a relationship containing a constant is supported, determine the percentage difference between the two values and compare it with the given criteria. Example, if you have determined two values of the constant K1 and K2, then you can use this formula to calculate the difference between them. When identifying and describing limitations in an experimental procedure, it is helpful to consider each of the measurements you have taken. Example, if you have measured a small distance with a ruler reading to the nearest millimeter, the percentage uncertainty in this measurement is likely to be large. When suggesting improvements, consider an improvement for each of the limitations that you have described. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to your very own channel Sony Sing Physics. Thank you.